that Bing Crosby's.
That sounds like trad rap. How you going, guys?
Pretty good, thanks.
Nothing could go wrong, Ben. What do you think of that?
Yeah.
Pretty good intro. How you going, everybody? Welcome to the last first episode. We are the Broken Pokers. We've got a really awesome program lined up for you tonight.
Put your head inside that circle.
Oh, this way. Oh,
Yeah.
Ah.
You shot yourself.
So firstly, I want to say thanks to everybody who tuned in for our first effort at streaming on Sunday night, and we've decided to come up with this idea, this program on Wednesdays, and this is kind of geared towards the heavy trad, as you'd imagine from the name. And we really the main focus of it is for musicians who want to play along with some tunes at home. So we encourage you to grab your instruments. Now is the time, and over the next hour or so we're going to be playing lots of tunes, lots of songs, and
we're so sad. Like we're missing the sessions so much, and we're trying to figure out some funky way to do in the meantime, I guess.
Yeah, so, and we are delighted to announce we've got three wonderful ladies who are going to be joining us in a digital way, and there's some local heroes who
Cyborgs!
we'll tell you more about throughout the programme. So three wonderful ladies playing wonderful jigs. So I guess we'll get the evening underway. We've kind of a proper
schedule. Get those words off your head.
Yeah, that'd be great. Thanks, man.
Oh, look at that.
We've got a schedule planned out, and most of these songs that we're going to play for you tonight are requests that came in over the last couple of days. So we're going to start off with a song that was requested by Stephanie, one of our favourites.
I think we should start off with a toast, though.
Oh yeah, we should. Yeah, to the first
to the internet.
our first episode of the lot. Cheers. All right, here we go. This is for Stephanie.
In a neat little town they call Belfast, apprentice to trade I was bound, and many's the hours sweet happiness I spent in that neat little town, till the sad misfortune came over me, caused me to stray from the land, far away from my friends and relations, betrayed by the black velvet ban. Oh, her eyes, they shone like diamonds, and I thought her the queen of the land, and her hair it hung over her shoulders, tied up with a
everyone playing at home, I probably should have said we were in the key of G there. So
we got some hellos here.
most of you guys figured it out. Oh, that's great.
All right, we better read this list out. Johnny B, Dipner, Killian, Bendy, Eddie, Lorraine, Stephanie, Rob Coughlin, Kevin, Eve, Peter Vanderpool,
Oh, all the way from Gerald.
Dawn, Gary Nugent, and Lily Morrow.
Oh, awesome, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I guess to go through the program tonight, like I mentioned earlier, we've got three wonderful local players of traditional music. We've got the wonderful Bindi Weir on concertina, and then we've got Kira Sudlow on fiddle and Didna Finch on whistle. And we're going to be they're going to be joining us throughout the show.
In a virtual fashion, of course.
There you go.
We're very health conscious.
So also we are going to be asking you guys as we're playing here tonight to take some photos of yourselves playing along at home if you can, and send them in to us. We'd love to do like a pick of the week, or at least the whole idea is to get everyone playing along. So send us the evidence that you're there at home playing along with us, that we're not on our own here. And we're going to be online for about an hour after we finish the broadcast tonight to be able to chat to you and answer any of your questions on the Facebook page, so we can keep the conversation going, which is great. So one of our favourite ways, particularly amongst the tune players, to warm up is to play a few polkas. So Ben's got a few polkas planned here.
You're in for it, Johnny B.
guitar player. All the guitar players are really warmed up now. Thanks, Ben.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, no worries.
So, and I hope Yvonne is warmed up too if she's watching. I know she likes the old polkas. I'm getting too hot here, Ben.
Oh, yeah. Well, looking at something more comfortable.
So if anyone's wondering, we will be posting up at the end of the show all the names of all the different tunes, because I know sometimes people love to know the names of them, if we know them. So there's no guarantee that we know
Oh, that's
them.
great. We've got people playing along.
Awesome.
Pari Gamadi.
Great stuff. Thanks, guys. That's what we want. So, like I said, we got heaps of requests there since the weekend. So we're going to do a request now that was sent in by Shane, O'Mara, and Maggie. And this is a lovely old love song. Well, it's one of those kind of sad love songs about unrequited love, which there in our Irish music there are so many. I'm going to sing this in the key of F. So for anyone playing along at home, if you're playing a whistle, you might
B flat.
You might find it on your
Or a C and do the job as well.
Yeah.
Well, I say that now. I'm probably going to murder it, but.
But yeah, this is an old favourite of Luke Kelly's, and it's called Peggy Gordon. We're sending it to Shane and Maggie. Oh, Peggy Gordon, you are my darling. Come sit you down upon my knee and tell to me the very reason why I am slighted so by thee. I'm so in love that I can't deny it. My heart lies smothered in my breast, but it's not for you to let the world know it. A troubled mind can know no rest. I put my head to a cask of brandy. It was my fancy, I do declare, for when I'm drinking, I'm always thinking. A troubled mind can know no rest. Oh, Peggy Gordon, you are my darling. and every moment a different song. Oh, Peggy Dolan, you are my darling. Come sit you down upon my knee and tell to me the very reason why I am slighted so by thee. Why I am slighted so by thee. Ah, lovely stuff. Lovely playing, Ben.
Making up as we go along as per usual.
Oh, that was good fun. Thanks, Shane, for that request. We got people watching from all over. We got people from Sydney,
Is that our
Guernsey.
friends from Guernsey that we met from the
Oh yes,
Yeah.
yeah. Adelaide and Galway. Galway, never heard of it.
and someone in hospital, Deco.
No
Get
way.
well soon, Deco.
Ah, absolutely. Oh, yeah, definitely. So, ladies and gents, now we're going to start our venture into the world of technology. We've got our first guest player joining us, and that's Bindi Weir. What can I say about Bindi? So we got to know.
Let's have a look at it first.
Oh, lovely stuff. The wonders of technology here.
Oh.
So Bindy's going to be playing us some jigs tonight. Let me see, I got the names here. The first one's called Andy de Jarlis. The second one is the Lilting Banshee. And then the last one is Haste to the Wedding. We got to know Bindi through going to the sessions at JB O'Reilly's, which hopefully when this is all over we can go back to. And this is our best attempt at a replacement in the
That's
meantime.
great. And we love the concertina. It's like a polite accordion.
Oh, it's gorgeous. It's so dainty.
Yeah.
So these are some of Bindi's favourites that she would share with us on a Wednesday night in JB's. So we're gonna we got to strap on some headphones for this one. So I hope we're not being rude here.
Yeah, I mean we couldn't hear you before anyway, so it's probably the end effect is the same for us. But now we look like goons.
Ah, look at that. All right. So we got to get Bindi ready to go here. Okay. So enjoy these jigs from Bindi. Thanks, Bindi, for taking the time to get these to us. Here we go.
Unreal. Yeah, it was a very quick turnaround. We sent out the call. I think we had the idea 2 days ago. Sent out the call that night, and our friends have just jumped straight on board and even provided a photo of themselves.
You.
Yeah.
All right. Here we go.
feel so nostalgic for like 5 weeks ago.
That was great, wasn't it? Bindi, you're a superstar. Well done. Thank you for telling those. You. Constantine just
I'm emotional now.
just sounds right, you know. Okay. So we hope all the tune players are warmed up and everyone's enjoying the music. We're going to do a little song here now from Belfast. And this was a request that came in from Emmett over the weekend. But we're going to spice it up a little bit. We're going to try and do a little tune in the middle of it. So the tune is hopefully a tune that everybody knows out there called Miss McLeod's. So we're going to drop it into this song at random intervals. So I'll let you know, tune players who are playing along at home. When I say here we go, you know to crack into Miss
When
McLeod's.
I say here we go, do not play. Actually, you can do whatever you want.
Yeah.
It's your own lounge room, much the same as this.
Yeah, you can't tell people what to do.
Get out of here, Derek.
All right. This one's called the Belfast Mill.
Good stuff.
At the east end of town, at the foot of the hill, and the chimney so tall, it's the Belfast Mill. But there's no smoke at all coming out of the stack, and the mill has shut down, now it's never coming back. And the only tune I hear is the sound of the wind as she blows through reckon Dibna saved us in the middle there.
Sorry?
Dibna probably saved us in the middle
probably.
there. I reckon she covered us there.
Oh yeah, shit. Sorry, we're multitasking here. We only have one. We forgot to like get a key grip or whatever you call it. All right, Benny. Point taken.
We mistakenly left Biddy's photo
technology.
up for that one. We'll figure it out. We'll get there, Ben.
So long as you were playing in the meantime.
That's the style of it. So we're going to try a few reels now, and these are hopefully some reels that everybody knows. Like I said earlier, if anyone wants to know any of the names of the tunes, we will be putting them up afterwards on the Broken Pokers Facebook page. But yeah, these ones, sure you know these ones.
Yeah, as we go along here, we're probably going to be getting more and more obscure tunes and that sort of thing. But we're just basically trying to start off nice and easy.
Yeah, try and get as many people involved as possible. So these ones you'll know are the Mountain Road, the Red Haired Lass, and the Sligo Maid. All right, here we go.
You take it away. Sessions there.
That was ripping, man. Well done. Good stuff. I hope you enjoyed playing along with that one at home. That was cool. Wow, I'm warm.
Jeez, hey, It's been a while. It's great to actually have this happen because usually, like session to session, like if someone will play some tunes that I don't know, and like that'll be my homework for the week. But I've had no homework. Oh, actually, that's not true. I've been working out how to
use technology.
and stream online. Yeah, but that's not my kind of homework.
Well, I feel like you're going to have some homework after this one tonight, hopefully.
Yeah.
So we're going to sing another song here, and this was a request from Liz. I don't know if Liz is tuning in here, but you might get to see this afterwards. And this is one of her favourite songs, and it's called the Night Visiting Song.
Elizabeth Moroz, if that, like, I think she'd like it could be any Liz.
Okay, no, you got to get the shout out. Yeah, it's a kind of a typical old folk song, another Luke Kelly favourite, and it's the last song that Luke Kelly sang before he passed away. Well, sang in public anyways on television in Ireland, and which makes it kind of even more poignant, I suppose. This is called the Night Visiting Song. It's in G for anyone playing along at home.
Or me.
Yeah, Night Visiting Song. Here we go. I must away now, I can no longer tarry. This morning's tempest I have to cross. I must be guided without a stumble into the arms I love the most. And when he came to his true love's dwelling, he knelt down gently upon the stone, and through a window he's whispered lowly, is my true lover within a tone. Wake up, love, it is thine own true lover. Wake up, love, and let me in, for I am tired, love, and also weary, and more than near, drenched to the skin. She's raised her over down soft pillow. She's raised her up and she's let him in, and they were locked in each other's arms until that long night was past and gone. this morning's tempest I have to cross. I must be guided, oh, without a stumble, into the arms I love the most. Into the arms I love the most. Lovely stuff.
Fair play. Sorry, Jake, if you're watching. Jake actually gave me shit. My younger brother
Yeah?
was saying fair play too much.
Fair play. Can you answer that with a fair play? Lovely stuff. Love that song.
Oh, I think we have another guest.
Another guest. We should get it like a sound effect. There's somebody at the door. Who could it be, ladies and gents? Well, we won't keep you in suspense any
I think
longer.
this coaster needs a coaster.
So our next special guest is the wonderful Ciara Sudlow.
And to be fair to Ciara, she had the least amount of time, in preparation for this. Yeah.
Yeah.
I said, "Would you record us a tune now?" And she said, "Yes."
Fair play to her. So Ciara's an amazing fiddle player and violinist, and just unbelievable. We've really enjoyed playing with her at JB's this last year or so.
She can play Amin Bach as well.
Oh yeah, and she loves a bit of banjo. So actually, why didn't you give some banjo tunes?
I just didn't want to be like I'm supposed to be the banjo guy.
There's only room for
Because I
one.
tell you what, I ain't touching the fiddle skills. Yeah, that's yeah.
You're going to own the banjo corner.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
well, who knows?
Well, maybe I could just be the technology guy from now on. Don't have to play any instruments, and everybody else does it for me.
We.
Whee!
Well, you said you've always wanted to do a gig from your lounge room. We were talking about getting some Bluetooth banjo happening there for a while, and now your dream has come true.
Yeah, it's great. It actually is pretty good.
So let's get Ciara up on the old goggle box there. So Ciara's going to play some jigs. Weve got the Rakes of Clonmel, the Humours of Droina or Drina, depending on how you pronounce that one, and Condon's Frolics.
Now, if anybody that knows these tunes, Ciara's warned us.
Oh yeah,
There's a bit of a curveball at the end there.
There's some artistic license at the end. Yeah, we're gonna.
So usually like a jig or a reel or anything like these tunes will go A B B, but Ciara has definitely taken some poetic license there.
Yeah, who cares? Woo.
It's good.
Yeah. So check out this set of tunes from Ciara. Oi. All right, here we go.
You ready there?
Cheers, Johnny B. All right, here we go. Awesome. Thank you, Kira.
Yes.
That
And
was
thanks so much. That
savage.
was a very quick turnaround.
Brilliant.
And a great recording too.
Yeah, good on you. I better not make the same mistake here. Let's get Kira off the thing.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Yes. Thank you, Kira.
Put me back on, you say.
We'll see you next time with a banjo in your hand, I'm sure. Ah, great stuff. We got some hellos, some shout outs from Sean, Deborah, Stefan, Chris, Mark, Ashok, oh, class, Bernadette, Richard, Gemma, Susie, Jerry, Tara, and Captain Gorgeous is on there. Oh!
Taylor.
That's
Taylor
great.
himself.
Good man, Turla. Thank you guys for sticking with us here. Like we said, we're going to be online for an hour after we finish here tonight, so we can answer any of your questions, and we're going to put up all the names of the songs and tunes we played tonight as well. And we'll keep the conversation going. Anyone who just joined us, and if you're playing some music at home, take a pic, a selfie, and send it in to us. We're hoping to...
Even if you're just singing along, take a picture of yourself singing. Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah, deadly. All right, back to the tunes, it looks like. Let's stick to the programme here.
Program?
Apparently there's
Website?
Apparently there's a programme. All right. I'm going to try and play some mandolin here.
Traditional Irish music.
Yeah, apparently. So Johnny B, just giving you the heads up here, John Batista, if you're watching us in Bristol, get your capo ready there. We're going to start off with the Silver Spear, and then we're going to go to the Banshee, or as Dibna would have it, McMahon's. Yeah,
It's controversial.
it's a controversial one, and then the Merry Blacksmith. So all right, let's get these going here.
pretty face.
That was really good, man. Awesome. Awesome. Good fun. They're great tunes. Hope you enjoyed them. All right, it's time for some hornpipes, sir. What's the story with a hornpipe?
It's the reel of the chewed out of the port world. Who we got here?
Hello to Miriam. Hey, Miriam.
Colin and Kerry. I can only assume from Bunbury.
And Alita as well.
Alita, woo!
Woo. We got Lisa, Yvonne, Martina, and Tig. Oh, good man, Tiger. And Marianne as well. Hey, Marianne. And Melon and Ron and Lorraine as well. Good
That's
stuff.
Mel and Jacob watch it then.
Deadly. That's great. Deadly stuff, guys. Good to have you with us for the first episode of The Lot. That's a lot. So we're going to play some hornpipes. Yes, back on track here for the tune players. This first one is called The Boys of Blue Hill, and then we're going to go off to California.
It is, yeah, both of these tunes are some of the most maligned tunes in trad music, so that's why we're choosing to play them right at the start. Get it out of the way,
Nice.
Yeah.
I like it, man. I'll follow ye. Anyone out there that doesn't recognise it, this is Ben's face he makes when he's having a really good time. Oh, that was great fun, man. That's great. So obviously we're trying to keep the laid back vibe of the session. That was good fun.
Yeah, just the general confusion.
Yeah, it was confusing. It was great.
Yeah. I had to say we're still good. Oh no, that's all right. No.
So if anyone's wondering out there who's giving us all the information of who's liking and commenting and sending in photos, that is of course Caroline. So I want to say a big thank you to Caroline for helping us out with the production here tonight. Obviously no expense was spared, as you can see. Uh, so we're going to do another song now, and this song. So you remember the last song I sang was the Night Visiting song from the singing of great Luke Kelly. There is another Night Visiting song, and we got a request for this one of who was it that requested it? Jonathan. And he said he requested for the song as "Who Are You, My Pretty Fair Maid." So its official title was Another Night Visiting Song, but this was made famous by Christy Moore. So Ian was also looking for some Christy Moore. So if Ian's watching, we're sending this out to him as well. And yeah, so it's this is known as Christy's Night Visit. And we're going to be playing this one in D minor. So what do people need to know about D minor?
It's the one before P minor. No, like if you on your D whistle, you might have a bit of trouble, but might bit of half holding, yeah. But if you've got a C,
you're in business.
Spot on.
Your quid's in. All right. Here's Christy's Night Visit. Whom are you, me pretty fair maid? Whom are you, me honey? Whom are you, me pretty fair maid? Whom are you, me honey? She answered me modestly, I am me mammy's darling, with my tune I fall a diddle da, diary fall a diddle dairy, oh. And will you come to me mammy's house when the moon is shining clearly? Will you come to me mammy's house when the moon is shining clearly? I'll open the door and I'll let you in, and the devil the one will hear us with my tune right. Fall a diddle da, diary fall a diddle dairy, oh. In the middle of the night when the moon was shining clearly, she opened the door and she let me in, and the devil the one did hear us with my tune I from the diddle da, diary from the diddle dairy, oh. Then she took me by the lily white hand, she led me to the table. She took me by the lily white hand, she led me to the table. Said a plenty of wine for a soldier boy to drink, and if he's able, with my tune I fall a diddle da, diary fall a diddle dairy, oh.
Great request.
Thank you very much. That was great fun. That's Christie's night visit. Ah, provisions. Thanks, Ben.
Yeah, I've just
Fair
been
play.
to. Oh, yeah. Pauline, how you going? Kathy, Noreen, from County Clare.
Awesome stuff. And we got Chris and Angela, Cam and Liam, and Bridget, who saw us in Galway. Hopefully that was the last time we played in Barnaholla in Galway. Shout out to Bridget.
That was out of control.
And we got Julie, David and Barry checking in as well. This is great. We hope you guys are going to stay online afterwards. If you haven't heard, we're going to be online for about an hour afterwards, chatting to people and commenting and answering any questions and stuff. So keep the conversation going. If anybody was ever curious about what a can of Guinness sounds like being opened next to a very sensitive microphone, you're in luck.
Wait a minute.
He's got to get the headphones on. Are we ready? We're sending this to Guinness and we're going to get some money.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
Ah, good stuff. We hope everyone got a chance to watch our instructional video that we put on the Facebook page there of how to handle a can of Guinness. Let's just say there's a lot of people in Ireland that are missing their draft points. So onwards we go. Lovely stuff. How are we doing for time, Ben?
Who cares? I mean, I care.
Well,
I mean, yeah,
are people
whatever.
enjoying it? We're gone over an hour, so perhaps it's time for our final guest.
It wouldn't be a session without Dibna.
All right,
Let's bring it up here. Like, who are we talking about?
ladies and gents, Mrs. Dibna Finch. You, Dibna has been
World champion whistle player.
she's unbelievable. She's a long-time personal friend of mine. Love you, Dibna. We miss you. And myself and Dibna go back a ways. But most people who know anything about trad music in Perth have a lot of respect for Dibna, as do we.
And anybody that knows about having a good time as well,
yeah. We are so honoured. Well, we were so honoured to be able to play with her every Wednesday night at JB O'Reilly's. So
that was one of the things where it's like, how can we live without Dibna? So we came up with this.
So we're just getting Dibna organised here in the thing. Time for the headphones, I think. So Dibna, again, I don't. It's amazing that the girls are really showing the boys up here, aren't they?
Oh,
You've
yeah,
got
it's
three
ridiculous.
awesome women. Said in just some cracker jigs. So I guess
Confounded at every corner.
yeah, I reckon that we're throwing the gauntlet down here to the boys. Maybe hopefully the next week the lads are going to
Come on, boys.
get the finger out and
You know who you are.
we'll get some music in for the boys. But yeah, let's get the headphones on and get Dibna organised. She's doing a set of
Jigs, would you believe?
of jigs. The first one's called Listen a Gun. The second one is called Aaron's Key, and the third one is called The Handsome Young Maidens.
As you might be able to see by the screen there, providing that
Oh, look at that. I should have done the bouncy ball thing. Oh, how do you do it? My left is me right and me right is me left. So yeah, these are some of our favourites. If you've come to any of the sessions, you'll probably be familiar with these. Just going to make sure this thing is in tune.
I know that Ted was learning these.
Ted was learning Aaron's Key anyways. We got that off pretty good before the old COVID kicked in.
And I feel like I'm still learning the last tune.
The Handsome Young Maidens.
It's a rough one, eh?
Oh, right, okay.
I'll let Dibna lead off with that one.
Fair enough. All right. I think we're going 4 times around on the first one. If I know Dibna the way I think I do. All right. Okay, here we go. Ladies and gents, how good was that? Unreal.
That's just too much.
Thank you, Divna.
That's what we
beautiful.
like. Just to everybody else, we have the pleasure of like sitting next to that amount of excellence every Wednesday up until 5 weeks ago.
Yeah, with Divna and with Kira and with Bindi. So we can't thank you guys enough for sending those into us. I think it's time for us to finish up. We're going to finish up with a song that's got a couple of tunes built into it, ladies and gents. If you've just tuned in lately, please take a photo of yourself playing along and enjoying the music. We're going to do hopefully a bit of a photo collage during the week and a kind of a best of pick. We're going to be online afterwards for about an hour or so, chatting to people. We're going to post a list of songs and tunes that we played tonight, and we hope you enjoyed our selection. If there's a song that you want to hear, it's got to be for Wednesday nights, it's got to be a really good Irish trad song, but send them in to us and we'll see if they make the programme for next week, because we hope to do this every Wednesday. For anyone who wants to try it, who check out some of the more kind of left of centre stuff that we do, we're going to be doing a show on Friday night.
Well, basically like the kind of stuff that you want to hear after you've drunk 5 pints and a couple of Jaeger bombs.
A bit of wagon wheel and a bit of the crack. We're going to be doing that kind of a show on Fridays and Sundays, and possibly going to squeeze another session on a Saturday depending on how we go. But we really want to get this Wednesday thing going because we miss Wednesday nights playing music with you all. So we got to kill the visual there.
Oh yeah, no, I like having dinner up there.
Let's leave Dimna on for the rest of the show. Okay, awesome. Dimna, you're with us to the end. Is there anything else that I missed out on there, Ben? Obviously, a huge thank you to the guest players.
Yeah, honestly, like the turnaround was ridiculous. Like we were trying to figure out the plan for this, and then it was less than 48 hours ago when it's like, oh yeah, let's do that, and then we just sent out the message and a few people just jumped on board like that, and
Take it
yeah, it's great.
Awesome.
It's terror.
A big shout out to Caroline, who has helped us out, keeping us up to date with everyone that's watching, and I hope you guys have enjoyed it. So we're going to finish up with Caroline's favourite song, which is we're going to play this song in G, but beforehand we're going to do a wee tune. We're going to do a couple of jigs. The first one's Morrison's in E minor, and then we're going to do the Kesh in G, and
classic tunes.
and then we're going to interrupt the Kesh very rudely in order
With a song.
with a song, and 3 minutes later we'll get back to the Kesh. So if anyone's miffed that we interrupted the Kesh, don't worry, we're going to come back.
We'll be back with you shortly.
Yeah.
Read the sports.
So we hope you enjoyed our first episode of the lot. For the lovers of trad, comment and let us know what you think down in the comment section, and we hope to see you back here next Wednesday night.
I mean, we could take David down, but I feel like we should just leave.
No, we got to leave her up there. Yeah. She looks really happy there.
She does, yeah.
Yeah, she's well burrowed in. Fair play. All right, guys.
Dibna, if you're there, can you take a selfie of you playing along to this one? That'd be a good run.
Yeah, that would be class. Yeah, awesome. All right, here we go. guys. And
Cheers.
we're going to stay online with you for about an hour or so. Have you got the old And we're going to answer some questions and comments and stuff. Hope you enjoyed the music, and thanks a lot to all the wonderful players. We had Bindi, we had Kira, we had Dinah.
How's that for branding?
This has been the first episode of the lot, and thank you for tuning in.
Would you check out some tunes on the old?
No, I think that's broken, man. I have to get a new gramophone.
Anybody got a new gramophone?
So thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Stay safe, and we'll see you back next week at the lot. We are the Broken Pokers. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
All right, I'm gonna try if I can get the gramophone. Something's happened to the gramophone.
That seems to have disconnected from the Steve.
I reckon we can get this going now. Alright, let's try this.
Alright, we're back! Go away, baser! If you want to listen to the end of this tune, then it's up to you.